Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video we'll see the difference between equal to and dot equals operator in Java. So let's go for it. What I've done, I created a class named as string equals demo, and I have created two instance variables which are holding the same value as computers. I have compared them using equal to and dot equals operator. So let's see what output it's print on the console. Using equal to operator, false. Using not equals operator evaluates to true. So what happens when it evaluates this condition str1 equal to str2? It refers to address comparison in memory, which evaluates to false. And using dot equals operators, what it does to these two instance variable, namely str1 and str2, content comparison is done in that purpose. So str1 dot equals str2 values evaluates to true. So this is the difference between address based comparison and content based comparison. So for using instance variable comparison, it's always recommended to use dot equals operator, which does content comparison. So this video was all about equals and equals and dot equals operator in Java. More to come on you for core Java basics. Stay tuned. Keep liking, subscribing. #TechieMit. Bye for now.